The African Union has issued a statement endorsing the results of Tanzania's controversial presidential election, which saw President Samia Suluhu Hassan declared the overwhelming winner amid allegations of irregularities and exclusion of key opposition candidates. Sadabina mashoko buda pangwa ine anyogwachins AU endorses chaotic polls in Tanzania. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. In a statement released on Saturday, the chairperson of the African Union Commission, His Excellency Mohamed Ali Yusuf, congratulated President Hassan on a victory while expressing regret over the loss of life during post-election protests. The chairperson deeply regrets the loss of human life during the post-election protests and extends his sincere condolences to the families of the victims, the AU statement read. He underscores the imperative of upholding fundamental rights and freedoms, including the right to peaceful assembly and expression. It encourages the authorities to safeguard these rights within the framework of the law. He also calls on citizens to exercise their rights in a peaceful and responsible manner. The AU emphasized the importance of democratic principles, recalling the African Charter on Democracy, Elections, and Governance. The chairperson recalls the principles of the African Charter on Democracy, Elections, and Governance, in particular respect for the rule of law, human rights, fundamental freedoms, and political pluralism, which are the cornerstones of democratic and stable societies, the statement continued. Despite the violence and widespread concern over the fairness of the polls, the AU reaffirmed its commitment to supporting Tanzania. The AU reaffirms its readiness to support the people and government of Tanzania in their effort to preserve peace, national cohesion, and democracy, the statement concluded. According to the country's electoral commission, President Hassan won 97.66% of the vote in Wednesday's election, dominating every constituency after leading opposition figures were barred from participating. Critics argue that the election lacked competitiveness and that the exclusion of opposition candidates undermined the legitimacy of the results. President Hassan's unanimous victory comes amid post-unrest, with several protesters killed in clashes with the security forces following the announcement of the results. The AU's endorsement has drawn mixed reactions, with some observers warning that legitimatizing the polls without addressing human rights concerns could set a worrying precedent for democratic processes in the region. Thomas CHAMISA arikubuda pangwa inachitwa AU kuchanzo kuonekwa kunzi the election YTSccc shan pina kwa section medu za fungulo ema tukudi pamusoro pechitwa ichi. So subscribe or like on the bell icon.